In this video, I'll be starting some teardown on the new project in 1986-2001 Nautique. I'm going to be doing some removal, mainly taking out all the upholstery to be sent away to professionals. I'll also show you all the parts I'm ordering out the gate from nautiqueparts.com to get started. But before I do this, I got to switch trailers on my last project, the 92 Nautique, with the new project because the tongue on the trailer of the 86 is fixed and I can't fit it in my garage. And this didn't go well. So I got to take both these boats. I got to put them both in the marina. They're both winterized. I got to take them both off the trailers, swap them over to the other trailers. And yeah, it's January 30th. Is it the weekend? I was at the marina yesterday and the lake was all water with some floating ice at the ramp pushed by the wind. However, the whole entrance froze overnight. Still, the ice should break up and I can still get to work on this boat. So the lesson here is you can't put a boat in ice. Who knew? Leaving the marina. My buddies talked me out of being stupid. I think I might have done a little bit of damage to my man card there and my credibility for people subscribing to learn stuff from me. Okay, that was a lot of work just to get started on this boat. And I've also got to take off the platform to get the boat in the garage. Removing it will make it easier for my wife to make that platform look nice as well. There's 8 lag screws into the stern. That takes it off. These are the side cushions. Luckily this one has its wood intact, so the guys can know how to fit it, because this one has almost no wood at all. Again, just completely rotted out. Get in here, this. That's not good. These metal supports were extra, a little unexpected. The fiberglass base just screws into the floor. The chair sliders are all rusted up, but it's a common part that can be purchased for just about 40 bucks on nautiqueparts.com. Look who just walked in.
Woo!
It's my buddy Matt. You're gonna be helping me install a stereo and speakers in here, okay?
You got it.
Because I know you're good at that stuff. I was expecting to see some nuts and bolts under the side of the upholstery, but they were just clipped in and they just popped out with some extra force. The observer cushion sits on a plastic piece with some extra storage in it. It's just held in place with 4 screws into the floor. And I don't really like the battery cover design. It's got metal around the outside. I just might rebuild the whole thing. All right, here's the nuts and bolts I'm used to seeing. 3 screws holding this in. The one on this side is not even screwed in. Oh, I like that. More plastic. Plastic's always better than wood, I think. It's a little unexpected. One more out of the way. Well, we got to get in here somehow and stop this from spinning. Makes you wonder if you get it. Oh, that worked. Alright, well that's that. All the upholstery has been removed from the boat. Next up, we're going to tackle the switches here. There's different amps for each one, so to see what we've got back there. Wow, that's been worked on recently. This is very different. Jeez. Yeah, electrical work's not my strong suit, so I'm gonna just hold off on this. I'll probably take it all off and just redo it from start. All right, here's all the parts I'm planning to order from nautiqueparts.com. We'll get a new impeller, of course. 20 years of having the same impeller on these 351s makes it easy. Gonna get a couple of new Ford belts. The manifold gaskets, I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the manifold off, but for $4, I might as well just order a couple right now while I'm putting this all in. I'll get a new thermostat kit because I'm gonna be taking that apart to repaint it. The carburetor needs to be rebuilt. I'm gonna try and do it. I've never done it before with this carburetor rebuild kit rather than buying a whole new carburetor. The horn switch, which is always fades, that red fades, I'm a little upset about this because last year I bought a new switch for $5. It's $23 right now. Most of these parts have gone up about 15% in the last year. This boat doesn't have a mirror on it, so I ordered one from them. I still got to figure out the bracketing for that. Next, you'll see the driver's seat slide. Like I said, that's a pretty good find right there. You're going to see a decal for a steering wheel logo. That's because I'm not going to spend 350 bucks on a Nautique steering wheel. I'm going to find a real nice bass boat steering wheel for about 70 bucks, hopefully, and put this sticker on, and nobody will know the difference. The inspection plate right here, it's all faded and gross. These little superficial details, I think, make a big difference on a new boat here. And then, of course, my wife did find the original Ski Nautique decal set. It's pricey, but it's going to make all the difference in this boat. At the end of the day here, this initial purchase is going to come out to $552. So this doesn't include carpet. It doesn't include the steering wheel. It doesn't include, of course, the upholstery, the floor. Still got to figure all those pieces out. Make sure you're subscribed, because in the next video, my wife's going to show you how to make the platform look just like new.